Today, we're recreating the stapler in a Jello mold.
But there's booze. And to make things more interesting, we'll be playing a secret word drinking game. There's a list of words that are off limits, and if we say one of those words, we have to drink.
No! You'll thank me later.
This is one of the most infamous scenes from The Office, and it's from the very first episode.
Damn it! Put my stuff in Jello again!
It's one of the many pranks that Jim...
That's what she said!
I like when Jim...
That's what she said!
I really like when Big Tuna dresses as Dwight.
Oh my God.
Bears beats Battlestar Galactica.
Remember the episode, the Christmas episode? Michael made Meredith a one of everything drink.
Vodka, tequila, gin, rum. I think he also puts in absinthe.
Oh my God.
And triple sec.
Triple sec for sure.
And 2 packets of Splenda, which we're leaving out.
It's a little intimidating making a Jello shot this big, so I think first we'll grease it.
Love Pam. So we're using 2 boxes of lemon Jello and 1 packet of gelatin just to really keep it set. The boiling water just helps all the gelatin and Jello powder dissolve.
And once this is dissolved and not quite as hot, we're gonna add the alcohol.
So a half a cup of each. This is not for the faint of heart. Perfect for an office party though.
As Dunder.
Oh my God.
That's what she said!
We've got all of our alcohols in here and it's time for it to set.
To be safe, I'd say like 2 hours.
I guess I am also a little bit of a Dwight.
That's what she said! And my middle name is Kurt, not Fart.
Just 2 cups.
This time it's 3 boxes of lemon Jello.
Who's the guy from Party Down that auditioned for Jim?
For Jim.
That's what she said.
Adam Scott. All of them would have made a pretty good helper, but no one can do the look at the camera. Lots more booze.
All the booze. And now stapler.
Now our Jello's set, nice and jiggly. We have our disinfected stapler. You want to wash your stapler thoroughly before placing it in your Jello. So we're gonna kind of press the stapler in upside down so that when we flip it,
It's okay. It's okay if it It's okay if it breaks.
oh my goodness. What is Jello?
Oh my God.
Okay, so you want to go around the stapler, I think, very slowly.
Yeah.
So maybe push yours in a little bit
Further.
That's what she said. Oh my God, what did I say?
We're gonna fridge this for a couple more hours until it's totally set.
2 hours later, it's there.
We're here.
It's good. What's the best prank you've ever played?
Best prank is not a very good prank.
That's what she said!
Prank? My family kind of has a history of prank phone calls. I just had to say it. I couldn't think of anything else. It's looking good, guys. How are we gonna eat this? Just cut a slice? Oh yeah, I think we're good.
We should bring this to an office party.
It's really heavy. It's out!
It's out! Wait.
Oh no.
God.
Whoa! It smells so much like booze.
Jim, how did you do this?
Yeah.
That's what she said!
Wow. Can I slice you a piece?
Oh my God.
It's like flubber. Cheers.
Cheers.
No? That sneaks out the back. I already feel a little bit drunk. If you make this for your office party, there's gonna be trouble.
There's gonna be so much trouble. Best prank ever.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna bring this up to our coworkers and
Get them
make
really wasted.
Yeah, get them lit.